Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit urban black filter using Lightroom Mobile app. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure 0.10. Contrast 60. Highlights -52. Shadows 20. Whites -100. And blacks 78. Next go to Color. Vibrance 36. Saturation -26. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red color. Hue -10. Saturation 16. Luminance -4. Go to Orange. Hue -20. Saturation 20. Luminance 4. Go to Yellow color. Hue -100. Saturation -64. Go to Green color. Hue -68. Saturation -60. Luminance -36. Go to Aqua. Hue 100. Saturation -100. And go to Blue. Hue -20. Saturation -60. Luminance -22. Go to Purple. Saturation -100. Go to Magenta. Saturation -100. And done. Next go to Effect. Clarity 38. Dehaze 44. Next go to Detail. Sharpening 16. Noise reduction 20. Color noise reduction 12. And done. Now go to Profiles. And select Vintage 01. Bring it to 200. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to other photo. Copy settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more presets.